Hello and welcome to the Indian Polity Complete series for UPSC SSC and other government exams. Let's start the session with the next topic: making of the Constitution, demand for a Constituent Assembly. Key points: 1934, idea first proposed by M.N. Roy, Communist leader. 1935, Indian National Congress, Inc., officially demanded a Constituent Assembly. 1938, Jawaharlal Nehru declared Constitution must be framed by an assembly elected on adult franchise, free from outside interference. 1940, August offer, British government accepted the principle of a Constituent Assembly. 1942, Cripps Mission, draft proposal for independent constitution after World War II, rejected by Muslim League, demanded two assemblies for two states. 1946, Cabinet Mission Plan, rejected idea of two assemblies, proposed a scheme for one Constituent Assembly, broadly acceptable to the Muslim League. Composition of the Constituent Assembly, 1946, constituted in November 1946 under Cabinet Mission Plan. Total strength, 389 members, 296 from British India, 93 from princely states, not initially filled. Distribution of seats based on population, 1 seat per million. Divided among Muslims, Sikhs, and general communities proportionally. Election method: indirect election by provincial assemblies. Proportional representation via single transferable vote. Princely states representatives nominated by rulers. Election results: July, Aug 1946, Inc., 208 seats Muslim League, 73 seats others/independents, 15 seats. Nature of assembly: partly elected, partly nominated. Represented all sections of Indian society: Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Parsis, Anglo-Indians, Christians, SCS, STS, women. Included major leaders, except Mahatma Gandhi. Working of the Constituent Assembly: first meeting, December 9, 1946, 211 members present, Muslim League boycotted. Leadership: temporary president, Dr. Satchidananda Sinha; president, Dr. Rajendra Prasad; vice presidents, H.C. Mukherjee and V.T. Krishnamachari. Objectives: resolution, December 13, 1946, moved by Nehru: India to be independent sovereign republic, union of territories, British India plus princely states, powers derived from the people, guarantees, justice, equality, freedom, safeguards for minorities, integrity of republic and contribution to world peace. Adopted January 22, 1947. Rightward arrow: basis of Preamble. Independence Act 1947. Changes: Assembly became sovereign, could frame any constitution. Also functioned as legislature, first Parliament of Free India. Strength reduced to 299 members after partition. Other functions: ratified Commonwealth membership, May 1949, adopted national flag, July 22, 1947, adopted national anthem and song, January 24, 1950, elected Dr. Rajendra Prasad as first president, January 24, 1950, sessions, 11 sessions over 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. Draft Constitution debated for 114 days, cost 64 Indian rupees lakh. Final session, January 24, 1950. Rightward arrow: Assembly continued as provisional parliament till 1952. Clipboard committees of the Constituent Assembly: major committees, Union Powers Committee, Jawaharlal Nehru Union Constitution Committee, Jawaharlal Nehru Provincial Constitution Committee, Sardar Patel Drafting Committee, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Advisory Committee, Fundamental Rights, Minorities, Tribal Areas, Sardar Patel Subcommittees, J.B. Kripalani, H.C. Mukherjee, Gopinath Bardaloi, A.V. Thakkar, etc. Rules of Procedure Committee, Dr. Rajendra Prasad States Committee, Jawaharlal Nehru Steering Committee, Dr. Rajendra Prasad Minor Committees. Finance and Staff, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Credentials, Aladi Krishnaswamy IR House, B. Patabi Sitaramaya Order of Business, Dr. K. M. Munshi Ad Hoc Committee on National Flag, Dr. Rajendra Prasad Others, Supreme Court, Citizenship, Linguistic Provinces, Press Gallery, etc. Writing Hand Drafting Committee, most important, formed, August 29, 1947 Chairman, Dr. B. R. Ambedkar Members, N. Gopal Submayayungar, Alidai Krishnaswamy IR, Dr. K. M. Munshi, Syed Mohammad Sadullah, N. Madhav Rao, T. T. Krishnamchari. First draft, February 1948 Rightward arrow public discussion for 8 months. Second draft, October 1948, after feedback. Enactment of the Constitution November 4, 1948, Dr. B. R. Ambedkar introduced the final draft, first reading. November 15, 1948 to October 17, 1949, second reading, clause by clause, 7,653 amendments proposed, 2,473 discussed. November 14 to 26, 1949, third reading, Ambedkar moved motion rightward arrow Constitution passed. November 26, 1949, adopted and signed by 284 members, out of 299. Adopted Constitution contained, Preamble, 395 articles, 8 schedules. Ambedkar's role, Law Minister, Chief Architect, hailed as Father of the Constitution and Modern Manu. Calendar enforcement of the Constitution November 26, 1949, certain provisions, citizenship, elections, provisional parliament, transitional provisions, came into force. January 26, 1950, remaining provisions commenced rightward arrow Republic Day. Date chosen for its historic link to 1930 Purna Swaraj Declaration, Lahore Session of Inc. With commencement, Indian Independence Act, 1947 repealed. Government of India Act, 1935 repealed. Abolition of Privy Council Jurisdiction Act, 1949 continued. Experts Committee of the Congress, 1946, formed, July 8, 1946 by Inc. Chairman, Jawaharlal Nehru. Members, M. Asaf Ali, K. M. Munshi, N. Gopalaswamy Iyengar, K. T. Shah, D. R. Godgil, Humayun Kabir, K. Santhanam. Later, Krishna Kripalani co-opted as member and convener. Meetings, New Delhi, July 20 to 22, 1946, Bombay, August 15 to 17, 1946, Role, prepared material, discussed procedures, committees, and drafted resolution resembling objectives resolution. Granville Austin, set India on the road to her present constitution. Criticism of the Constituent Assembly not representative, indirect election, limited franchise. Not sovereign, created under British proposals. Time consuming, took 3 years, compared to U.S., 4 months. Congress dominated, Assembly was the Congress and Congress was India. Lawyer-politician domination, led to bulky, complex language. Hindu dominated, critics like Churchill and Simon called it a Hindu body. Important facts symbol, elephant. Constitutional Advisor, Sir B. N. Rao. Secretary, H. V. R. Iyengar. Chief Draftsman, S. N. Mukherjee. Calligrapher, Prem Bihari Narayan Razada, handwritten in italic style. Decoration, artists from Shantiniketan, Nand Lal Bose, Biohar Ram Manohar Sinha. Hindi calligraphy, Vasant Krishan Vadya, illuminated by Nand Lal Bose. Hindi text of the Constitution originally, no provision for Hindi authoritative text. 58th Amendment Act, 1987 rightward arrow inserted Article 394A. Provisions, President to publish Hindi translation of Constitution and amendments. Translation deemed authoritative text in Hindi. If difficulty arises, President may revise suitably. Thank you for joining today's session. Remember, knowledge grows when shared. Stay inspired and keep learning.